Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the American Home Shield app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. American Home Shield is a home warranty service app that helps users manage their protection plans and request service for covered home systems and appliances. Through the app, users can file claims, track service requests, and manage their account, all in one place. It's designed to simplify home repairs by connecting users with pre-screened contractors quickly and efficiently. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is straightforward and user-friendly, with most users finding it easy to file claims and track their status. The convenience of managing warranty services without having to call support is a big plus. Push notifications and real-time updates also help users stay informed throughout the process. That said, it's not without issues. Some users report delays in technician assignments and limited appointment availability. Others mention the app occasionally glitches during login or crashes while submitting a request. There's also feedback about claim denials and communication gaps with customer service. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, the American Home Shield app is useful for homeowners looking to streamline warranty claims and manage repairs efficiently. It's convenient, functional, and a solid companion to the AHS protection plans. But keep in mind that service speed and claim outcomes can vary based on location and coverage terms. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.